Hello to all students. Today we are going to discuss again class 12th biology chapter 29 chemical coordination in human, and today's topic is pineal gland, and second is thymus gland. First of all, pineal gland, it is also known pineal body. First is origin of pineal body is ectodermal. It means originate to ectoderm, germ layer. Next is weight, is 150 milligram. Next is location or position, is it is a brain. Once again, it is a midbrain structure which is a part of epithalamus. Epi, it means above, thalamus, it is part of brain and lies between the thalamic bodies. Once again, origin, students, pineal body is ectodermal. It means originate to ectoderm germ layer. Weight 150 milligram. Next is location or position. It is a midbrain structure and lies between thalamic bodies. Next is other name, sexually biological clock, because it control all biotic activities of per day, like sleeping early, get up. Next is hormone, is melatonin hormone. Next is the secretion of the hormone, is increased in the dark. It means absence of light, and inhibited by light. Next is so in blind students on blind child. Once again, so in blind child it means dark puberty become earlier. Next is cells of pineal body. Students, mostly pineal glands or pineal body consist two cells. First is pinealocytes, second is neuroglial cells or tissues. First pinealocyte, second is neuroglial. Next gland is thymus. Next topic or next gland is thymus gland. First origin, thymus gland is endodermal in origin. Once again, thymus gland endodermal in origin. It means originate to endoderm germ layer. Next is lobe 2. It means thymus gland consists two lobe. Next is position or location of thymus gland. Students, it is located upper chest cavity. Upper chest cavity and nearby heart and nearby trachea. And in front of heart. Next, once again, located in upper chest cavity or nearby trachea and in front of heart. It is located in front of heart. Next is hormone of thymus gland is thymosin hormone. Next is thymus gland is well developed and large in size. In child compared to old man. Next, thymus gland become inactive or degenerated in old stage. Next is it is a training center of T lymphocyte. Students, T lymphocyte, it is a type of lymphocyte. For example, this is figure of bone. In bone to have specific cavity, bone marrow. During development, bone marrow part, synthesis or formation of RBC, WBC and platelets. They are blood corpuscles. Next, WBC, two types mostly. First is granulocyte, next is agranulocyte. A, it means absent, granulocyte, it means granule-like structures. Some WBC did not have granule-like structure in cytoplasm part, so it is called agranulocytes, like monocyte and lymphocyte. Next, 2 points. First, origin in bone marrow part. Next, maturation in thymus gland. Students, in thymus gland, first letter of thymus word is T, so this type lymphocyte is called T lymphocyte. So thymus gland is training center of T lymphocyte. Next is thymosin play a major role in the differentiation of T lymphocyte. Once again, thymosin hormone to play a major role in the differentiation of T lymphocyte. Next, it help to formation of complete immune system in human. Students, immune system, it is a specific system. It found in blood, in lymph, like in blood WBC, in lymph WBC. This system to protect from antigen, from pathogen, from disease causing factors. Once again, it is specific system. It protect pathogens, disease causing factors and antigens. Thymus gland and their hormones thymosin help to formation of complete immune system in human. Next is function of thymosin hormone. Once again, function of thymosin hormone. Student, first function is it help to maturation of reproductive glands. Reproductive glands, it means gonads like testes and ovary. Once again, it help to maturation of reproductive gland, it means gonads. Second is it responsible to human immunity. Next is it help in killing of antigen. Students, antigen is foreign particles. Some are living, some are non-living. So it help in killing of antigen. So today we studied two specific gland. First is pineal gland. It is also known pineal body. Next, the important part of pineal gland is other name sexual biological clock, or it is also known sexual biological clock. Next, important point of pineal body is hormone of pineal body is melatonin hormone. Next, pineal gland is more active in blind students, blind child. It means pineal gland's hormone melatonin is more excrete or more secret in light, but this gland inhibit in, once again, pineal gland is more active in dark. Once again, pineal gland is more active in dark but less active in light. Less active. Students, less active in light. Next is thymosin. Important part is differentiation of T lymphocyte. Second, hormone name. Third, it well developed in child but degenerated in adult in old stage. Next stage, it is training center of T lymphocyte. So thanks, have a nice day.